Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I want to tell you about this funny little gadget here. So this is a prop to keep your laundry machine open so that it doesn't collect so much like mold and mildew and all that stuff. It keeps it dry and clean. I was never taught as a child that you needed to keep this open to prevent it from getting musty. As an adult, I realized that was common sense. But number one, I have a toddler who loves to shut the doors. And number two, it's just sometimes you forget and you go to shut it. So this is awesome because it is magnetic. So it sticks right onto the washing machine. It has a really good grip as well. And then what you do is you can adjust it depending on the type of machine you have. And depending on how wide or how small you want it open, you adjust it and it just keeps it ajar for you. And then in the moments when you are actually doing laundry and you want it to be closed, it's so easy to move around so that it's not causing issues like that, or it's not in your way. So I think this is great. Definitely not like needed in life, but it's definitely something that makes your life a little bit easier, or at least it helps me. So I definitely recommend it, and that is my point of view.